Lolly Polly, what color's this lemon?
Yellow. Yellow.
Oh, you're so smart. Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun and I'm the Toy Food Fun Mom, and today we have lots of fun things to show you. At Target, I picked up this bird. It's a Little Live Pets bird. It says Tweet Talking Birds. This bird is named Lolly Polly and she is a gemstone friend. This says, I record and repeat every word. We're going to open this package and play with this, and we're going to see if we can get this bird to repeat these fruit names. So hopefully this works out. Here on the back are more really cute birds that you can buy. It says Princess Gemma, Tweet Dreams. This is what we have, Lolly Polly, Super Sarah, Tweet Petals, Angel Alice, Bessie Bestie, and Starflake. These are so cute. Right here is a package of toy fruit that I was able to pick up at Target, and hopefully we can get this bird to say these fruit names. Let's open up the bird. I opened this bird and I just have to tell you, I think she is adorable. Again, her name is Lolly Polly. She's green, she has pink feathers, a pink jewel, pink feet, a pink beak. This bird doesn't come with batteries and it takes 2 AAA batteries. So if you are going to buy this, remember to grab batteries also. This cute little bird chirps. Hey birdie, you gonna talk to us? Hello birdie, you gonna talk to us? I think this bird's camera shy. Isn't that so cute? She's so cute. I think she's gonna become the Toy Food Fun pet. We've never had a pet and she's so cute. Now let's see if we can teach her to do some tricks. Oh, she said she's our best friend. That's cute. Let's try to teach her some tricks. Hi Lolly Polly, this is a plum. Can you say plum? Plum? She did it. This is a really cute toy banana. It's super cute, lots of detail. Hey Lolly Polly, can you say banana?
Banana. Banana.
She said it. Now let's teach her the word peach. Peach? Peach. That was so cute. Let's try to get her to say pineapple. Pineapple?
Pineapple.
Good job. Okay, Lolly Polly, can you say apple? Apple?
Apple.
Good job, bird. Let's try orange. Orange?
Orange.
This is one talented bird. Let's try a big word like cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Good job. How about pear? Lolly Polly, can you say pear? Pear. Very good. Our last piece of fruit is this lemon. Lolly Polly, can you say lemon? Lemon? Good job. What a good bird. Now let's see if we can get this bird to say colors. She's really good at fruit names. Pineapples are usually yellow, but the inside of this one is green. So let's get her to say green. Sweet birdie, what color is this pineapple? Good job, it is green. What color is this peach?
Orange.
Good job. Sweet little birdie, what color is this plum? Yes, it is purple. Good job. What color is this banana?
Yellow.
Good job. What color is this apple?
Red.
Oh, what a smart bird. We've seen this color before. What color is this pear?
Green.
Good job, it is green. Lolly Polly, what color is this lemon?
Yellow. Yellow.
Oh, you're so smart. What color is this orange?
Orange.
Yep, that was an easy one. What color is this cantaloupe?
Orange.
Yep, another orange colored fruit. Friends, I am loving this bird. I think she's so adorable. I think we need to see more of her on Toy Food Fun. If you agree, let me know in the comments. Do you like this bird? Should we have more of Lolly Polly on Toy Food Fun? Thanks for letting me know. I've had so much fun with you going over fruit names and fruit colors. As always, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell so that you are the first to be notified when we upload new videos. We're so glad you visited and we hope you stop by again.